In today's highly competitive landscape, cleaning and facilities management companies face a myriad of challenges. Navigating the complexities of efficient task management, maintaining high service quality, and adapting to unexpected situations are just the tip of the iceberg. Support service providers are under constant pressure to deliver exceptional service and create an outstanding work environment for their mobile workforce, all while keeping an eye on reducing costs. The challenge isn't just about keeping spaces clean and well maintained. It's about doing so efficiently, responsively, and sustainably in a market where expectations are always on the rise. Introducing Reslink, the world's most comprehensive, agile and user-friendly task and workforce management platform. Here's how we can help you streamline and optimize operations, while reducing costs. Ever found yourself in a bind with task assignments in your cleaning business? You know, juggling between routine maintenance and those sudden, unexpected spills. That's where Reslink's workflow management steps in. It's designed just for you, helping to balance pre-planned tasks with the agility to respond swiftly to unforeseen incidents. Imagine a world where your workflow is as seamless as your cleaning. That's what we offer. And then there's the paperwork, or should I say, the lack thereof. Gone are the days of chasing down paper forms and dealing with data entry errors. With Reslink's digital forms, you're moving into an era of efficiency and accuracy. Everything you need is at your fingertips, in a format that makes sense for your business. But how do you really ensure every nook and cranny gets the attention it deserves? Reslink's Rounds module has you covered. Using the latest in NFC technology, you can now track your team's progress in real time, making sure every area shines and nothing gets missed. Time tracking can be such a headache, right? Not anymore. With our time and attendance module, you're getting accuracy and transparency like never before. This means fair pay for your team and clear billing for your clients. Struggle with stock control of those consumables? Or tracking costly electronic scrubbers? Mismanaged inventory can be a real drain on resources. Our asset management module is a game changer, ensuring you always have the right supplies at the right time, without the excess. Communication is key, they say, and we couldn't agree more. Our push messaging system keeps you connected with your team in real time. Say goodbye to missed messages and hello to efficiency. So, why settle for the traditional way of doing things when Reslink can revolutionize your cleaning business? It's time to step into the future of cleaning management. Join Europe's leading FM and security service providers today and elevate your cleaning and facilities management operations to the next level. Reslink. Streamline operations. Empower teams.